I'm going to show you how to quickly make this background using Pixlr so that you can add this into your animation project or whatever you're doing. We're using it with Brush Ninja. Okay, so to get started, we're going to go File, New Image. And you always get this menu that pops up, and the menu gives you options. I click Create New, and then it has a default size, but for Brush Ninja, you need to set it to 512 by 512. That's the size of their canvas. So you set it to 512 by 512. That's a square. You could just call it, let's call it oh my gosh, it's writing backwards. Grass and sky background, or simplify BG. Okay, create. Step one, we're going to create a line. Actually, yeah, we're going to create a line. So we're going to use the shape tools. Where are you, shape tools? Right here. Okay, and then we're going to go to the line, and we're going to change that thickness to a bigger number. You can drag the thickness here. I'm going to make it 10, somewhere between 10 and 15. I'm going to make sure the color is set to black. So you drag that corner, or you can click on that little dot, say okay. It should be 0, 0, 0. And then you're going to click and drag across, and I'm going to hold down the shift key. And there, it started out look blue. I think that's the selection color. And there we go. I'm going to put that as my divider between the sky and the earth. And you're going to see that that created a new layer right here called shape. Okay, now I'm going to try this. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm going to select a color, make sure it's a green color, okay, for my top of my two colors, and then say okay, and then I'm going to try to fill it over here. This doesn't work because I'm on this shape. So we've got to basically get this shape merged with this layer. These two layers need to become one layer. So we're going to click the three dots. And, sorry, my camera's in the way. Going to click the three dots, and we're going to click this merge down, and that's going to take those layers and combine them. So now it's one layer, and now when I use the bucket tool, you'll see the plus sign shows up, and I can fill that with a color. And because I drew the line all the way across to the sides, the green stays in the bottom, and then I'm going to switch to blue. And if it doesn't stay at the bottom, then you need to redraw your line. Rewind a couple seconds and figure that out. Okay, so there's our sky. We've made our sky. We're done. So now we're going to save it. File, save. And we're going to look at that grass and sky BG. It's already named for us. We're going to leave it as a JPEG, and we're going to download. Download. Put it in your downloads. Save. All right. Now, in Brush Ninja, you just go into Brush Ninja here, and you click on this little select a background button. Use your own image, because we made our own. And I'm going to go to, I'm supposed to look this way. I can't look that way. Anyway, Grass and Sky BG, open. Bam, set as background, and it adds it to my whole animation. And now when I create my animation, it's going to look like it belongs in this world. I didn't just throw a background in later. Starting with your background is actually a really good idea, because then you can make your animation work more together with the background. So there you go. Hope that was helpful. Be creative and make your own backgrounds, add some more details to it. But for a quick and easy background that doesn't look like a generic just white screen, this will do. Have a great day. And I'm stopping the video now. Hi, Mom.